morning, you guys. I am mid doing my makeup, but I just wanted to start this vlog. Welcome you guys to Vlogmas day 19. As I was going to bed last night, my video for Vlogmas day 18 was uploading and I realized I never opened up my Clarins advent calendar. So today we will have 2 of those little boxes to open for the Clarins advent calendar. So that's kind of exciting. Carlos still has his mailing address as his parents' house in Sacramento. So he gets packages delivered 45 minutes away in Sacramento. So we are going to Sacramento. We're gonna take a little road trip instead of me sitting here at home by myself. I thought, you know what? I'm gonna go with you. We're gonna go pick up those packages and then we're going to order food to go and have some nice lunch. Support a small business. I know small businesses, especially restaurants, are not doing well right now. So we are trying to do our part. I actually don't believe, I know Sacramento is a different county than where I live, and I'm not sure, to be honest, their rules and regulations. I don't know if they have outdoor dining right now or not, but in my opinion, that's still not a good idea. So I am getting it to go. So that is the plan for today. We are going out of town to pick up a package and to get some food to go. And that's about it, really. I'm planning on coming back. I'm really excited for this part, actually. When we get back home, I am going to try out making vegan s'mores cookies. There's this gal here that locally makes them and sells them, and they are so good. But I just kind of like, I love baking, and I love trying new recipes. So I thought, you know what? This can't be too hard. Let me try. So I have a recipe that I screenshot and I'm gonna give it a try when we get back. So I'm really freaking excited for that. All right, I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'll check up with you guys when we're on our way.
If you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
We are now in Sacramento. Our first stop, of course, is coffee. It would not be a trip to Sac without getting a cup of Joe. So Carlos just ran in to grab that. And then we're trying to figure out kind of exactly what we want to eat. We might actually get stuff to go from just a couple different places. So we're gonna figure that out and I guess we'll see what else is going on. Thank you. Woo! Coffees. Okay, that helicopter is circling something. We just got to our first place to get a little bite to eat. It's real sunny out.
Can we do 2 New York State of Mind? Y'all are moving over here.
Alright, donut. This is cheesecake stuffed. What else was on it? I really didn't even look.
I don't remember. Do you like it?
It's really good. For some reason we can't find the place that we wanted to eat at or get food from, so we got a donut instead and we're gonna go hunt something else down. You guys, so we ran a couple errands and we couldn't find the food place we wanted. Like, we walked around, we found a different little store that was kind of cute, so we went in there and then we got the packages. Let me just show you. Post Malone Crocs. I love them. With the toe socks. What's up, you guys? It's a little bit later and we just got home. The trying to find food in Sac was a total fail because we wanted to find that empanada truck and get a couple. It was nowhere to be found. So we didn't end up doing that, but I did on our walk find the cutest little store where we got a couple things. So I wanted to show you. This one says, is this real life? Look at those colors, how cute. And then this one, totally appropriate, totally appropriate. So we got those two things, and then I just got my boxy charm. Actually, that's what you guys are sitting on, so I will show you what I got. Okay, so I just opened the boxy charm and I got pretty much the same stuff as the other boxy looks. I got the same iconic face palette, the same Sunday Riley Good Jeans serum. I got the Luxie brush set, the earrings, lip balm. The only thing that's different is this Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In, which I'm guessing is like, oh yeah, it's a leave-in conditioner. That's what it looks like. And then also the Avant Glycolic Shea Butter Intensive. It's a day moisturizer pretty much. So those are really the only two things that are different. The Avant skincare retails for $123. It's like, come on, that can't be real. And then the leave-in conditioner retails for $22. Ramen night again, except for this time I put steak instead of Spam. Ribeye, I'm sorry, because that's the meat we had. No, I know. That's the meat that we had, so I can't wait. I'm gonna dig in. I just threw on this like super fuzzy sweater because I am freezing. I'm about to clean the house, but before I do, I wanted to open up the clearance advent calendar. Let me fix this hair. Okay, so we are on, is it days 5 and 6? I think so. Or is it 6 and 7? It's 6 and 7. Okay, so let's open up 6 first. Here it is. This is the Hydra Essential, I think it's just a moisturizer. Moisturizes and quenches silky cream. This is what it looks like. Very nice. That was day 6. And then day 7, we have, oh my god, the cutest little thing. It is an eye gel for puffiness and dark circles. Look how adorable that is. So that is also going in my little bucket. We have lots and lots and lots of clearance stuff in here that I'm excited to use. I'm hoping I don't skip any other days, but I did kind of like opening 2 today. Like I said, I'm gonna go clean the house a little bit. I just want to relax tomorrow and not have to worry about cleaning. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I will check in with you if I end up doing the vegan s'mores cookies because I'm exhausted, but I still kind of want to make them. So I will let you guys know. So I just did a little bit of cleaning and I am exhausted. I just do not have it in me to make those vegan s'mores cookies. So that's going to have to be a tomorrow task. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you for tomorrow's vlog. Bye.